Cooking time. It's a lot of onion. It's a small onion. In fact, it's probably more onion than this meal needs. So, I'm not going to use it all. I'll use that much. Alright. It's a pan. Turn this on. Medium. In goes the onion. Oh, gotta hit start. Put a little olive oil in there. Probably need a little bit more onion than that. There we go. And as I said, I'm running out of stuff. Let me turn this up a little bit. And as I said, I'm running out of stuff, so I have this canned chicken. I'm gonna use a can opener, I'm gonna drain it, and I'm gonna cook it. That's what's gonna go with dinner. And I did pretty well on this meal plan and stuff. I just threw stuff into the RV, and if I wouldn't have extended, I'd be eating all the stuff that I brought. But instead, as we can see, I'm using canned chicken breast. I drained it, and kind of reminds me why I don't use this very often. But we'll get these onions going. And with that, the fur balls are going to get spoiled again. I got more tuna. So I got another bag, and they ate the leftovers, which is good because I don't like throwing half a can away. So, and they ate well. They were both very happy. Alright, I'm gonna go out and drain this. Alright, in goes the chicken. What they call chicken. It's good to have stuff like this around, because you never know when you might need it. I could have went to the store, obviously. And then once this gets heated up, we're making red beans and rice out of a box. I apologize for the box. But if you look at it, it's got too much salt. I don't eat a lot of salt, so I'm not worried about it. The carbs are a little high. I'm trying to cut my carbs back, but you wouldn't guess it by the way I eat. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this cooked up. Alright, so that's cooked up enough. In goes the box. And I try not to eat too much of this prepared stuff, but sometimes you do what you gotta do. And now it needs 3 cups of water. I'm actually gonna try to measure it. Cup. 1 cup. 2 cup. 3 cup. I will stir this up, and I'll make a mess because that's who I am. Ugh. I should get the tape measure out and see how much space I use when I cook these meals. It's not very much. Alright. You gotta bring it to a boil. Cover it. Bring it to a boil. You can hear this cooktop was making a little bit of noise. Now it's stuck. No, it's gonna have a little buzzing on high. Oh well, it'll still work fine. Alright, now we're boiling. I'm gonna call that a good boil. It smells red bean and rice-ish. Zatarain's usually does alright, you know, for what it is. Now we're gonna cover it and turn it down to low. And it needs to simmer for about 25 minutes. You don't need to watch that, do you? You're welcome. Alright, YouTubers, as I said, this is not fancy. I'm gonna sit down and eat this and watch a movie. Red beans and rice with chicken and onions. And that's about it. I'll do the customary flyover. Alright, flyover. It's out of a box. And canned chicken. But we'll see how it does. See how it eats. Alright, I got a big spoon. That's what I'm gonna eat it with. Got a little bit of everything in there. Well, let me make sure I get some chicken in there. There's a little bit of everything. It's still very hot, but I'll tell you, see the steam? For out of a box, not bad at all. Yeah, it's very hot. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great and wonderful day. You're too close. You're... Vinny, you are too close to my food. You don't like red beans and rice, do you? I don't think you do. I do. Turned out pretty darn good. You're gonna get on the food thing. Non-cat people won't be happy. They're like, what's a damn cat doing? I'm like, why you put a cat in there? I hate cats. But you're a good boy. Just back off from my food, big man. Alright, now I'm gonna add some sunset pictures. No music, just a few pictures. Hope you enjoyed and have a great and wonderful day.